Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. Today's topic is the immune system यानी systemic lupus erythematosus. I JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Department of IPD, Shubham Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. The SLE, the immune system is a complex system that is responsible for protecting us against infection and for foreign substance. The immune system is closely tied to the lymphatic system with B and T lymphatic within lymph nodes, tonsil and the thymus gland. Function: thymus gland containing glandular tissue and producing several hormones is much more closely associated with the immune system than with the endocrine system. The thymus serve as a vital role in the training and development of T lymphocyte, an extremely important type of white blood cell. Function: T cell, also known as thrombocyte cells or T lymphocytes, are type of lymphocyte, in turn a type of white blood cell. They play a central role in cell mediated immunity. They are cells, T cells, because they mature in the thymus. B cell, secreting antibodies. Bone marrow. In addition, the bone marrow contains hematopoietic stem cells, which give rise to the three classes of blood cells that are found in the circulation: white blood cells, leukocyte; red blood cell, erythrocyte; and platelet thrombocyte. Spleen. In act as a filter for blood as a part of immune system. Old red blood cells are recycled in the spleen, and pulpit and white blood cells are stored there. The spleen also helps fight certain kind of bacteria that cause pneumonia and meningitis. The word lupus comes from the Latin word from wolf, means reflect the mask-like appearance the client have when they have a lupus facial rash. The rash is red, and those the word erythematous, meaning redness, was added to describe the disease. Definition: the chronic multisystem and inflammatory disease associated with abnormalities of immune system result from interaction among genetic, hormonal, environmental, immunologic factor. After the skin, joint, serous membrane, renal system, hematological system or neurological system. हेलो जी, कौन कौन कहाँ से कहाँ से? हाँ बोलिए. आपने शायद गलत नंबर मिलाया है शायद मैम आपने. किससे बात करनी है आपको? कहाँ से बोल रहे हो आप? जी नहीं नहीं, आपने गलत नंबर मिला लिया. ये जयपुर से बोल रहा हूँ मैं तो. Incidence: the systemic lupus affect 2 to 8% per 1 lakh in United States. Most cases occur in women of childbearing year. Women are 10 times more likely to develop SLE than men. Most clients with lupus have the systemic type of, but a small percentage have the type that affected only the skin. Condition called discoid lupus erythematosus. Risk factor: discoid lupus is not life-threatening. SLE can be life-threatening progressive systemic inflammatory disease that can cause major body organ and system failure. Although the definition seems similar to the definition of rheumatoid arthritis, once the distinctive difference exists, clients with the SLE typically have more body organ development earlier in their disease with the client with rheumatoid arthritis. Etiology: etiology is unknown होती है. Most probable causes genetic influence, hormones, environmental factor or certain medication. Pathophysiology: इम्यूनी सिस्टम अल्टरेशन होता है। एंटी न्यूक्लियर एंटीबॉडीज टू राइबोन्यूक्लियर प्रोटीन with antigen go for a abnormalities in both B cells and T cells, फिर go for a production of antibodies to self and non-self antigen, then go for tissue injury, then go for visceral lesion and antibodies against RBC, and go for acute necrotizing vasculitis. Clinical manifestation range from a relatively mild disorder to rapidly progressive, affecting many body systems. Most commonly affect the skin, muscles, lining of lung, heart, nervous tissue, and kidney. Dermatologically, oral nasopharyngeal ulcer, cutaneous vascular lesion, alopecia, butterfly rashes. Musculoskeletal polyarthralgia with morning stiffness, arthritis, swan neck fingers, ulnar deviation, subluxation with hyperlaxity of joint. Cardiopulmonary trachypnea, pleurisy, dysrhythmias, accelerated pericarditis. Renals, clinical examination, lupus nephritis, ranging from mild proteinuria to glomerulonephritis. Nervous system, generalized focal seizures, peripheral neuropathy, congenital dysfunction, memory defect with psychiatric disturbance system. Clinical manifestation hematologically, formation of antibodies against blood cells, anemia, leukonemia, thrombocytopenia, coagulopathy. Infection, increased susceptibility to infection. Fever should be considered serious. Infections such as pneumonia are a common cause of death. Diagnosis, no specific test. SL is diagnosed primarily on criteria relating to patient history, physical exam, or laboratory finding. Laboratory finding, tissue biopsy, skin lesion can be biopsied and examined microscopically for sign of inflammation. ESR to detect systemic inflammation, anti-nuclear antibody titer to detect the presence of abnormal antibodies, sometimes called lupus erythematosus cells. CBC, anti-DNA, anti-Smith antibodies, urine analysis to check for protein cells, sign of possible kidney damage, X-ray to affect joint to see the condition, chest X-ray to find the systemic involvement, ECG to determine extra articular involvement where cardiac problem. The drug therapy, corticosteroid immunosuppressive drug, cytotoxic agent, ointment of skin cream for rashes. Prevention, no way to prevent lupus, but people who smoke may be more likely to get lupus. Avoiding smoking and perhaps other tobacco products may decrease the risk. Nursing management, assess patient physical, psychological and socio-culture problem with long-term management of SLE. Assess pain and fatigue daily. Obtain subjective and objective data. Acute pain related to inflammatory process and inadequate comfort measure as evidenced by complaint of joint pain. Fatigue related to chronic inflammation and alternate immunity as evidenced by lack of energy, inability to maintain usual routine. Impaired skin integrity related to photosensitivity, skin rashes, alopecia as evidenced by rash and anywhere or body, butterfly rashes on face, hair loss, area of ulceration or fingertip, complaint of urticaria. हेलो. हाँ बोलो. हाँ गांधी पथ पे जाओगे ना आप, तो गांधी पथ किसी से पूछ लेना कि है ना क्या बोलते हैं माहिंगलाज नगर कहाँ है. हाँ 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 बिल्कुल किसी मतलब बालाजी मेडिकल के पास में जो गली जाती है वहाँ पे अंदर कुछ है ना स्नेह रेजिडेंसी फर्स्ट है. हाँ बिल्कुल सिरसिर मतलब जैसे भी आप पूछ लेना किसी कोई बता देगा आपको. ठीक. Nursing diagnosis impaired skin integrity related to photosensitive skin rashes, alopecia as evidenced by rash anywhere. Deficient knowledge related to lack of exposure to unfamiliarity with information resources as evidenced by question about SLE. Body image disturbance related to disease condition. Planning and a goal. What is the goal of? Use energy conservation technique. Set and complete priority activities. Adapt lifestyle to energy level. Avoid activity that's cause of disease exacerbation. Use analgesia and non-pharmacological measures appropriately to control pain at the acceptable levels. Lupus in pregnancy. Identify can result from SLE treatment. SLE is associated with complication of pregnancy. Pregnancy and postpartum can cause exacerbation of SLE. Women with serious SLE should be consulted against pregnancy. Psychosocial issue. Con- Counsel patient and family with SLE has good prognosis. Physical effect can lead to isolation, self-esteem and body image disturbance. Assist patient in developing goals. Evaluation expected outcome. Com, 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 Completion of priority activities. Verbalization of having more energy. Expression of satisfaction with pain relief measure. Performance of activities of daily living without pain. Limitation of direct exposure to sun and use of sunscreen. No open skin lesion. Expression of satisfaction with activity level. Pacing of activities to match level of tolerance. Expression of confidence in ability to manage SLE over time and home environment. Follow up. Use of special cosmetic complementary or alternative therapy should be discussed. Reproduction. Avoid pregnancy. Thank you.